Hello and welcome to another review. Today I've got another Hornby model. It is the Hornby Railroad Class 47 and this is 47033 with TTS Sound. I'm very aware of that there's a big light there, but yep, so standard TTS box, nothing special. So let's just try and pop the loco out, shall we? First thing you notice, the manual, which is the Class 47 DCC ready, fitted and sound, which has got basically the wiring and how to maintain it. Curiously, this doesn't have the sounds listed on it. Put that to one side. So I believe this is either an old Hornby tooling or one of the former Lima tools. So the actual detail of the loco isn't special compared to what you get with other premium stuff, but it looks like a 47. It's rail freight sectors with the grey colours, and if we look underneath you'll find that it's actually driven only on the one bogie. So unlike a lot of the modern models, it only has drive on this bogie, but there is pickups on the other bogie. So yeah, there's not really a great deal to say about it. There is some cab detail. You can see that there is a couple of seats in there. You could put a crew in there. You can just about see the windscreen wipers. And on the top, it's just pretty basic detail. There's nothing really special about the detail of it. However, one thing which does have two redeeming factors with this, in fact, is the price was really cheap. It was like 60 quid or something, and the second thing is it's got sound, which always seems to come out quite nicely on a diesel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this one on the track and let's have a play with the sounds. Okay, so she's on the track and let's see what happens with the sounds. I don't actually have the list of sounds, so let's just be pioneers and push our way through. So button number one, function number one, is to turn the sound on. So let's try that. And that's just her idling. Yeah, just turn that off. And then there's her shutting down. Okay. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay. There's two, and then there's three, which is the opposite. Okay, number four. Is that brake squeal? Number five has nothing. Number six has nothing. Seven, I think. Eight, nothing. So I think that has basically four main functions. Just turn the engine on, and I'm going to try and back her onto our train. There we go. Sorry, she's just off screen, but let's drive her forwards now. to half speed. Yeah, it's a rail freight loco on Pullmans. So what are you going to do about it? And bring it back in, I suppose. I've overrun that. Anyway, who cares? Shut it down. So in a conclusion, if DTL isn't a big issue with you, but you want to have a bit of fun with sound, pick one up. The chips can be purchased separately, and they will fit any other 8-pin socket, so you could always buy the chip and fit it into a premium locomotive. But yeah, I will just conclude that yeah, I actually like this one. It's a fun loco. It's not something I normally go for, but it was cheap enough to be worth a punt. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I hope to continue up with some kind of pace, and see you in a future video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, of course. Bye for now. You might have noticed that I've actually filmed about 4 of these on the same night, so that's why the Pullmans keep cutting me out. But can't not have a bit of fun with a sound loco. So I picked it up, but I didn't actually intend on getting this one. What actually happened was I'd actually ordered the Class 40. Ordered it from Hatton's. The fact that it's from Hatton's is a by the by, that's not their fault. But I got it and I tried to run it on my programmer, and it just wouldn't do anything. Couldn't get any kind of response out of it. So I sent it back, and they sent me a replacement. Same thing happened, which makes me think that there was a problem with maybe that batch of Class 40s. But this was the same price, so I got them to send me one of these instead of risking having another one from the same batch with the same fault. But yeah, anyway, bye.